Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, director of the Miami Space Transit Planetarium, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now this week's episode.
Welcome in 2009 with the brightest planet and the brightest star, plus the Lord of the Rings. Greetings, fellow stargazers. And as you regular viewers know, every year I entreat you to celebrate New Year's Eve and New Year's week with something I have long called the New Year's star, because it is the brightest star we could see with the naked eye. And every year it reaches its highest position above the horizon at midnight during New Year's week. Plus, this year, we have some extra added cosmic attractions to ring in 2009. Okay, we've got our sky set up for any night the first week of 2009, just after sunset facing southwest, where the brightest planet we can ever see in the night sky will be absolutely dazzling. It is planet number 2 and almost the same size as our 8,000-mile wide planet Earth, the most reflective planet in the solar system because it is covered with a brilliant layer of clouds which acts like a giant mirror, the planet named for the goddess of love, Venus. And it will be absolutely beautiful every night after sunset all week long. And if you were lucky enough to go out just after sunset on New Year's Eve, you would have seen that it was joined by an exquisite crescent moon, which made an absolutely sensational sight on New Year's Eve. But of course, the moon has since gone merrily on its way and will reach full on January 10th. And ta-da, will be the closest full moon of 2009. Watch it grow bigger every night. So this year, the most brilliant planet of them all shines on the new year every night during the first week of 2009. Plus, we can also see the New Year's star at its highest point every night at midnight during the first week of 2009. Let me show you. Simply go out at midnight your local time any night the first week of January, look due south, and smack dab in front of you at its highest point above the horizon, you will see the brightest star we can see with the naked eye. The star which marks the eye of Canis Major, Orion's bigger dog. The star we call Sirius. And for over a quarter of a century, I have been alerting all of you to go out every New Year's Eve and to use this star as a welcoming beacon for each new year. But in case you missed it on New Year's Eve, it is still there at midnight all of New Year's Eve week. It's one of the closest stars to Earth, only 8.6 light years away, which means that when you look at it this week, you'll be seeing Sirius not as it exists now, but as it existed 8.6 years ago in late spring 2000. Do you remember what you were doing in the spring of 2000? But that's not all, because if you look toward the east at midnight, just below the bright stars which make up the constellation Leo, the lion, you'll be able to see another planet. Not as bright as Venus, of course, but in my estimation, the most beautiful planet of them all, 75,000-mile wide ringed Saturn, whose rings right now appear almost edge onto us. So there you have it. Welcome in 2009 every night New Year's week with the ringed planet and the brightest star and the brightest planet. Just after sunset, look southwest for Venus. At midnight, look for Sirius at its highest in the south. And in the east, the Lord of the Rings. Happy New Year and keep looking up.